Good day everyone. This is my answer in the problem 1. First is the box wrench below is used to tighten the bolt at A. If a wrench does not turn when the load is applied to the handle, determine the torque or moment applied to the bolt and the force of the wrench on the bolt. So this is the wrench. Then so na ginawa ko is gumawa ako ng FBD. This is the sa 300 mm mula sa A tsaka sa B, and B sa C is 400 mm. Sabay nasa 52 Newton ang B, C is 30 Newton na may 60 degree. Sunod na ginawa ko is kinuha ko yung force B. Force trigo. So FBX FB sin data X, so 52 Newton is 52, so 5/13, so BX is then is equals to negative 20 Newton. Para malaman natin na tama is 52 5/, so 20 Newton. Then next is the FBY. First BY is equals to FB cosine delta X, 52 ulit, 12/13 is equals to negative 48 Newton. So natin kukunin is yung first C. So the trigo ulit. Natin yung so FX, FCX, and FCY. Then ang 6 and the 60 and 30 Newton. So cosine siya, cosine 60. So is equals to FCX is over 30. So itong 30 na to is ililipat lang dito para makasama siya sa cosine, magiging 30 cosine 60. So FCX is equals to 30 cosine 60 is equals to 15 Newton. Thirty. So 60. Yan, 15. Then sunod is ganun din. Sin 60 is equals to FCY. FCY is equals to 30 sin 60. So is equals to negative 0.9807. Then kung ang sunod is yung sunod is yung summation of f of x is equals to 0 is equals to ax minus 20 Newton plus 15 Newton is equals to 0, ax minus 5 Newton is equals to 0, then ax is equals to plus 5. So sagot is ax is equals to 5 Newton. Then submission of y, fy is equals to 0 AY minus 48 Newton minus 25. So ito yung sagot sa ano, FY. Then AY minus 73.9807621135 is equals to 0. So AY is equals to 73. So Newton, so round off, so 74 Newton. AY is equals to 74 Newton. So yung conversion sa millimeter to meter, so 400 millimeter times 1 meters over 1000 millimeter. So is equals to 0.4 meter. So ganun din sa 300 millimeter. So sunod is yung submission of MA is equals to 0. MA is equals to AX 0 plus AY close parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. So 0 plus 0.3 equals 0. So 52 Newton times mo sa 0.3 plus 30 Newton 0 times 0.3 plus 0.4 equals 0. So pag natapos mo na yan, ito yung mga pamasagot. So 36.6 Newton MA. Next is yung number 2. Determine the support reaction on the member shown below. The collar at A is fixed to the member and slide vertically along the vertical shaft. So ito. Then gumawa ko ng FBD ulit. FBD. So submission of f of x is equals to 0. So AX is equals to 0. Submission of f of y is equals to 0. So 900. Negative 100 plus by is equals to 0. So by is equals to 900 Newton. So next is the submission of MA is equals to 0. MA minus 900 Newton times mo sa 1.5 meter minus 500 Newton point meter plus 900 times 3 plus 1 cosine 45, so 0. So pag na ano mo yan, makukuha mo yung sagot dyan. 900 1.5 minus 500 plus 900 3 plus 1 cosine 45. Lang muna. Yan. So yan. Or sa nakuha na sagot. So yan lang, that's all.